It's a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali. Not only does this stylish exterior design awash you in confidence, the capabilities will too. 3 rows of seating and cargo room galore challenge you to fill it up. The 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine comes in at 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque to conquer all demands. The OnStar with 4G LTE with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and color touchscreen navigation with IntelliLink are ready to respond to your needs. You set the temperature for the lap of luxury. It has heated and cooled seats for the driver and passenger, and heated second-row seats. Royalty-worthy features like driver alert package, rear cross-traffic alert, and lane keep assist provide safety, while the hands-free power liftgate and remote vehicle start provide convenience. Well built, well up to the task, and good looking. This Yukon Denali is ready for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.